So this is my daughter Peyton, and we are on our way right now to Rite Aid to get some dip powder nail thingies that we saw in there when we were in there a little while ago. So this is going to be our Try It Out Tuesday for the day. So we are done, and I think they came out okay. What you think, Peyton?
Good. I think they came out pretty good.
Yeah. For you, yeah. I think I'll still go to the salon. You know, I need to be pampered. But yeah, I think they came out good. I think if you were looking to do dip nails on a budget, you could definitely consider those. It was $20 for the whole little pack, and it'll probably last you, you know, a couple times, not just one time, because at the salon you're paying what, $25, $30, maybe even $40, depending on where you live and where you go. So to spend $20 and be able to use it a couple times, I think that's budget friendly. So that's it for the video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give us some comments down below. Let us know what you think about the dip powder nails. Would you try these? Would you still go to the salon? What would you do? How about you, Peyton?
These nails are really good. You should try them. You can get a whole bunch of colors. They have a ton of them.
So remember to like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, and make sure you hit that notification bell so you get all of our updates. And that's it. See you tomorrow for Weave It Up Wednesday.
Bye, guys.